If, inexplicably, you're hell-bent on an Indian-built city car, the Tato Nano is not your only option. The Suzuki Alto is designed and built in Delhi by Maruti and sold on the subcontinent as the A-Star, and lines up against the Aygo C1 107th Triumvirate, as well as the Hyundai i10 and Ford Ka, not to mention the shortly-to-arrive Nissan Pixo, with which the Alto shares just about everything bar a badge in an increasingly crowded budget market. Unfortunately, to succumb to the inevitable Slumdog metaphor, the Alto is less millionaire and more like the contestant that take the $5,000 and does a bunk. Worthy, sensible, but forgettable. The Alto's power comes courtesy of a 1.0-liter, 3-cylinder engine, which puts out 67 bhp and 66 pounds-feet of torque, near identical figures to the Toyota PSA Trio. It's an entertaining little engine, if not the most refined. There's a two-stroke light clatter on startup and plenty of buzz at high revs. It spins freely and is far less binary in response than most 3-pots, dealing well with motorway speeds and feeling slightly quicker than the 14-second 0 to 60 miles per hour time suggests, at least until you load it up with passengers. The right tune for European roads, says Suzuki, is compassed, though the Alto isn't as fun to drive as the positively frisky C1 and Aygo. Surprisingly, given the Alto's cutesy, bug-eyed face, the interior is as welcoming as Woonwood scrubs. Even on top-spec models, the cabin is a swathe of grey drabness that, despite managing aircon and electric front windows, forgoes such niceties as a glove box. There is a shoddy angled shelf instead, wind-down rear windows or electric mirrors. It's solid and functional, but it's a fine line between budget and stingy, and Suzuki has fallen the wrong side of it.